So let me tell you, if you tried everything and you're ready for something that really works and feels pretty doggone good, I want to interest you in seeing me or a 5-path certified hypnotist. That's right. And mostly I recommend board certified hypnosis professionals. These are people who are certified in 5 paths hypnosis, hypnotherapy, 7 path self-hypnosis, and the secret language of feelings, and know how to use those tools and other tools to de-stress you so that you can finally go, oh. So I want to do one thing to just kind of get you started because I know you're experiencing stress right now. Now, this is just a taste. I'd like you to go to 7thpathselfhypnosis.com. And I've got a first lesson on how to do 7-path self-hypnosis, which is called the first antivirus software for the human mind. And what it's able to do is get rid of limiting beliefs, get rid of erroneous fears, and greatly, greatly help you to sleep better and to get rid of stress. That's right. So go do that right now. And then if you like what you hear, or you want more, you want one-on-one sessions where we could really move you along fast, then go to calbanyan.com and let's do some sessions. And if you can't get to me, I do sessions online, so you probably can. But if you can't get to me, you want to do someone local, okay, you want to see a board certified hypnosis professional, a certification by 5-path IAHP. IAHP stands for International Association of Hypnosis Professionals. Leave a comment below. And got questions about hypnosis? Leave a comment below. And have you seen a 5-path hypnotist and it changed your life in a wonderful way? Leave a comment below. If you've done 7-path self-hypnosis and it helped a lot, then leave a comment below. I answer all comments, and so I'm looking forward to getting your comment right away. Okay, well, this is a quickie. These are stressful times. These are trying times. You can feel better. You can feel better. So important. Contact me. My information is on calbanyan.com, or go see a 5-path IHP board certified hypnosis professional today. All right, that's it. Cal Banyan over and out.